Yeah. Date of birth?
2-4 Charlie, could you have Sorry come here for one shot?
Go take away right now, Ms. Basemore.
Engine 22 on 1131 flight of Terry.
Say again?
Engine 22 on 1131 flight of Terry, 1816.
You live here at this address? The 1053? Okay. What's your phone number for you? Do you have any medical issues? Diabetes, anything like that?
I'll find out.
High cholesterol?
I got you, man.
Okay, you got Graves' disease?
Okay.
Anything else?
Glaucoma.
Glaucoma? Okay. What do you take medication for every day?
I have blood pressure, my Graves' disease.
Okay. What do you know what those medications are?
Yes, I was shooting. Just be advised, we got a call from Mrs. Basemore in reference to domestic trouble at Esquire, Villae West. Said that the husband and the sister were firing shots at each other. The husband is now at 201 York, number 43, which we already knew.
What medication do you take? Atenomore? What else?
Atenolol, odopine, levothyroxine, hydrocodone.
Are you allergic to anything?
Every day in plasma.
And what was the other one?
Engine 19, you're responding on a chemical wash-off, South 35th Street and West Broadway. Wash-off after an MVA at 1817.
Do you need anything from us?
Yeah,
Unit 242. Run number's E2012.
just a second.
Oh, I'm sorry.
EMS.
Yep, 242. Incident's E 2012 6584. And we take her to you though.
Okay.
Alright, while he's doing that, go through those medications one more time for me. Amlodipine.
Levothyroxine, atenolol, hydrocodone, latanophos for my glaucoma.
Okay. I think I got you. Alright, you need anything else from us? Alright.
You guys getting ready to roll?
Yep.
Alright, I'll be right behind y'all.
You guys need a rider?
No, we should be stable.
Okay. Alright, done anything else for fire? Alright, we're gonna roll out, guys.
Appreciate
y'all. Thank you.
I thought you were poorly.
I am. Well, I used to. Now I'm back in. I got moved truck one. Then I got promoted. Then I got moved from the truck to the
Close enough for government work.
Yeah.